Hello, Davida here. We're back with another video, and we are using a new base coat. So since I was able to get my hands on some of this, I haven't had any in months, and that's why I was using the house paint. But I'm going to go back to a recipe I did initially. Now that I know the pour paint, the colors need to be a tad bit thicker than your base. I'm going to see if this recipe works. And I will have it listed in the description box. So we are going to pour this on the canvas. Repurposed canvas. I can tell you right now that this is Loft White, Floetrol, and Satin Enamels. And water to thin. Let's show you that consistency. You see how it's just running off the stick there. Okay. Let's see what happens. I don't know why I'm trying to pour with the stick in the cup. All right. Got my repurposed canvas. Let's pop those air bubbles first. Let's give it a whirl. It's moving very well. That's a good thing. All right. I'm determined to get this red to work. All right, let's try again with this red. Liquitex. This is Pyrrole red mixed with Floetrol and water. Here we go. Okay, this looks promising. I see some of the shadows that we weren't getting on the last pour around the edges. Okay, we may have a winner here. Let's calm down. Let's not get excited. Let's see what happens. Let's twirl it around and let's cross our fingers. We need some pearls. Work with me here. Alrighty. Okay, the paint is moving nicely. See if we can get to the edges without going off too much. Not really worried about composition because this is an experiment. This is called Waste Your Money Experiment. Because that's what I'm doing. Wasting my money. But if I'm helping you, that's what matters. Hopefully I'm helping somebody out there in the YouTube world. All right, let's see if we get anything out of this one. Composition's not too bad. I don't know if I spread this enough, but we'll see. Let's give it a little torch. And let's see what happens. Wow. That's a good reaction in the beginning. I think this may be good. Okay. Alrighty. I think it's going to work with me, people. Look at those cells pop up. Right in here. Okay. Alright, let's let it do its thing, and we'll be back. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Look how those cells, those pearls expanded. Even this area here where I didn't think we would get too much of a reaction really came through. So I'm not exactly sure why this red paint was not working with the house paint recipe, but it surely is with our, excuse me, with the Artist Loft Flow White recipe. Okay, I am happy with this result. Now it's time to go bigger. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.